Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Supriya. Actually, actually, my mom was not well last month. I took out a COVID test also. It was positive on the 26th, and she took bad. She used to just sleep. I could understand she is not well. Then when my friend, I gave a call. He's staying in Hubli. His name is Shahid. So when I gave him a call, he gave me the number of your teams, and he told me these people are very good. You just give a call to them, Angel Group, they will help you out. I said, in this time when my relations are not come with me, my friends are no more with me, I don't know, I didn't know that these people will help me. That was then like a, you have to keep your finger crossed. Then I gave a call in this group. The number was given to me. Then one sir, he picked up the call. Uh, his name, I'm very sorry, Amin sir, he picked up the call. So he told me that don't worry, everything will get fine. I will give you two numbers and I will put you in one group. They will be talking to you and they will help you out. Then I said okay. Then after 10 minutes, my number was shared in the group. Then ma'am, she gave me a call, Rafia ma'am. I don't know how I got in touch with her so fast. In 10 minutes only, I thought that she is like my friend, like my elder sister. In that way, she spoke to me very nicely. And every day I used to update her, like how is mom, what she's doing. I used to take the test of hers, in that oxygen level test, is to go 82, then is to come again at 80, in that way. Then I got very scared because my dad already went off 14 days back, and again to lose one more, it is a very difficult part. So again I gave her a call. Then she told me, "You don't worry, I will find for the oxygen for her." I told her very clearly that I don't have any amount with me. I lost everything when my dad went, and no relation support I have got. Even my anyone, you can say, I only have got one sister, but I cannot take her support also because she has got some problems going on. So in that way, she sent the cylinder. They didn't. It was a free of cost in that way. So they made the cylinder to come, and in that my mom was getting okay. She was going up. Mean that oxygen level was going up and down in that way. Suddenly she took bad 5 days back, and before that, they took her and went to the hospital, HBS hospital. I did her scan test there, and sir, he only provided the full amount, whatever was there, the medical charges, the doctor's fee, the scan going. So in that way, I did her test. So in the test, it was shown that little bit infection is there in the lungs, but the tablets were going on. In the tablets also, 5-6 days back, she took bad. She was very serious in the house. Her pulse dropped. It was like 82. And she didn't know what she's talking. She didn't know, she was like, when she didn't have any control to go to the toilet also. Then again I gave a call to ma'am. And then she told me, don't worry, we will be going to admit her in some hospital, and we will see she will be in a good hands. But then to that they say, no, you get a scaredness. Hospital means it's a very scary in this time of COVID. Then too, I became strong, and I told, okay ma'am, we will do it. Then 12:30 the ambulance came. 12:30 the ambulance came, and then they took her and went. Even I went with her. We went to the hospital, and then they said we have to keep her here under observation. I told ma'am, I don't have any amount with me. She said, you don't worry, the full amount, the full whatever the expenses are there, we will handle it. You don't have to worry anything. You just take your mom and go there. Everything will get well. I went there. Then 3 o'clock they took her inside, because 12:30 I reached there. 1.5 hours uh, they were just making me to run from this side to that side with the papers, and they knew I didn't know anyone there. In that way, little bit problem was there only down where the staff is there when they take the papers. There I had little bit problem there. It was not so much also, but then too, because I didn't go in any hospital, so I don't know. It is my fault because I don't know how to read and write. So I cannot tell anyone it is their fault. It should be my fault also. Then 3 o'clock they shifted her to the ward. After going to the ward, then 3:30 I left from there. Then the second day I went, I spoke to the doctor also, how is she and all. So the doctor told me she's much better. She's going much better in that way. So I said, okay, fine. Then I was updating in the group also, all these things. It is a very great thing that I have got such a big support from this full group. I cannot express, ma'am. I cannot express anyone, because anyone I'm giving a call in this group, they are supporting me. Let it be for the oxygen, or let it be anything. And this group has helped me so much in not in only in the medical, even in the other things also they have helped me. My expenses also, they are helping me in that also. Whatever is needed to me, this group is a wonderful group, I can say. Now my mom is much better. Yesterday I got a call from the hospital that she is improved to 97 with the oxygen, because in the 2 days back she took bad. They shifted her to another ward also, and the doctors also are very nice there. They talk very nice. I mean, it is not like we are outsider, like that they will not treat the person, even on the phone also. Then yesterday I got a call. They said that it is a very good sign, she's improving, but then too she has to be here for some more days. I don't know how many more days she'll be under observation here. And then I gave a call to ma'am and told her that this is like so many days she's in the hospital. I don't have any amount with me. I am a divorcee. I don't have any support with me. How can I take out the hospital charges? I don't have anything with me. Then too ma'am told me, you don't worry, everything we will do. We will see that your mom will come out well. This is like a blessings for me, and a very, very, I can't express so much. I'm blessed with y'all, and even y'all also are blessed with God. So many things all I've done for so many people. But and the main thing is, from starting I should think that Muslims are not good. I didn't have any Muslim friends. But this situation, this time, I can understand that Muslims are there who can be a friend, who can be a family member to everyone, and they are only close by in this situation when no Hindus, no Catholics, no any caste are coming in the front, but I can see only Muslims coming in the front. No matter if anyone is with COVID also, they are coming in the front and they are talking to the person. When other people are not coming in the front and talking, they get panic. I'm not coming there because that person has got COVID. But this group, I can say, it is a wonderful group. I don't have any words to say. I just can say God will bless this full group, and this group name will come first. They will be the first in the world that their names will come, that they are helping COVID patients. And this that is in this situation, they are coming in the front and they are standing. If this comes to me to speak to anyone, I will be the first one to tell these things to everyone. And my mom, she's every time whenever I give her a call, she's just blessing this group. She is just blessing this group. She's only asking me how those people are who came and helped me. She's thanking this group, ma'am. I'm very thankful, ma'am. Thanks a lot to support me till now.